I am Dr. Aswin Tumkur, consultant cardiologist at Yashoda Hospitals, Malakpet. We know that the incidence of heart diseases and its complications are increasing day by day. So we as cardiologists advise you all and your loved ones to screen yourself after the age of 35 years to detect hypertension, to keep your sugars under control, to detect high cholesterol levels in your body. These are all the common risk factors. Better screen them before going into heart diseases and its complications. We need to control our salt intake. We need to inculcate balanced diet, day-to-day diet, exercise regularly, at least 35 to 40 minutes a day is recommended. Control your weight, and most important thing is stress has become a very important part of our life. So managing stress is also very important as a prevention of heart diseases. The patients who have already got into heart attack, who are patients of heart failure and hypertension, they need to consult their physician and cardiologist regularly from time to time, take the medicines regularly and prevent themselves from getting into problems in further complications. I again wish you all a World Happy Heart Day and take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thank you.